Introducing the Keurig K-Express Coffee Maker, the ultimate solution for your single-serve coffee needs. In sleek black, this coffee maker not only looks great, but also packs a punch with its strong brew feature. This option enhances the strength and bold taste of your coffee, giving you that extra kick to start your day. One of the standout features of the Keurig K-Express is its versatility with 3 cup sizes. Whether you prefer an 8, 10, or 12 Oz cup, it's as simple as pressing a button, plus the 42 Oz. Removable water reservoir means you can brew up to 4 cups before needing to refill, perfect for those busy mornings or when you're entertaining guests. Speed is another key advantage. The Keurig K-Express delivers fast and freshly brewed coffee in just minutes. It's also travel mug friendly, with a removable drip tray that accommodates mugs up to 7.4 inches tall. No more messy transfers from cup to mug. Just brew directly into your travel mug, and you're ready to go. Efficiency doesn't stop at speed. This coffee maker features an auto-off function that turns the machine off 5 minutes after your last brew, saving energy and giving you peace of mind. For those who prefer their own ground coffee, the Keurig K-Express is compatible with the My K-Cup Universal Reusable Coffee Filter, sold separately. Customize your brew while enjoying the convenience of a single-serve system. For a reliable, versatile, and efficient coffee maker, the Keurig K-Express is a top choice. Enjoy strong, bold coffee in minutes with a machine designed to fit your lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews.